Ebelu. Is that what you want to know? Or is this not the same?
It's similar.
Okay, then come with it. First and foremost, Mami Baby. Active, the power and kasa Fiji being here. And ultra. Reactive, waste. What do you say? Okay.
So that means it was a fridge, you know. Or the power we answer that can I waste. And I'll say power no back. Some will waste, then not fridge into Argentina. And I'll say obey active power and answer that cannot be waste. The person say
now this your question is very clear. What this is here very clear. You're busy not because you are not saying anything. Yeah, okay, okay, you know what I'm saying. Do you understand? You don't. Henry, do you understand me?
Active power no ultra. Different from reactive power now.
Dabi, most of us say reactive power here. Waste here. The funny say, we no fridge na power. Ebi a o se bi wa no. Ebi a yita na cook it me it. Okay, reactive power na before when cook na heat na ma na waste no. By we need dey no can
there's a way or there's only how we react a bay more and I say only limit. Someone say power never need 2 kilowatts.
Okay.
And one of those
Mukai said
there is no way.
Remember, Mukai said, Mesha Sieno. Make a baby. Is it load calculation? No, make a baby say power factor correction. No, no, can't make a baby. Monkai, Mekai, when we stood there, I said that first time. What you want to know is, does the fridge decide that, okay, I want to pull all this? Or fridge need the power and banner by to use it. It's in the back always no onim, and I never obey using no onim. And I say, we're trying to find out, okay, is there any way that the fridge can intellectually, and I say, smartly, pull more power so that they waste? Is that not what you're trying to say?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. But me, my point is, I say low current. Say something like low current. Because no one can say.
Winning, my main post will crazy. Let me teach you this thing about life and kasa. Focus is very important. Focus, then. Is it focus here then?
Very important.